Welcome back to Autoscope, Mercedes Benz GLE Motorhome in 2026. External, the motorhome will be bigger than the typical GLE. To provide plenty of headroom within, the roof will either be permanently raised or extended upwards pop-up roof. A kitchen and sleeping area might be added at the back. The front grille, LED lighting, and aerodynamic body lines that are characteristic of the GLE will remain in the design. Despite the increase of interior structure, the motorhome's body will be constructed from lightweight materials like aluminum or carbon fiber to reduce weight. It will have built-in solar panels for electricity, retractable side awnings, and concealed external storage for camping supplies beneath the body. Interior, the front passenger and driver cabins will still include dual MBUX screens, leather upholstery, and cutting-edge safety technologies, just like the GLE. When the RV is stopped, the front seats may be turned 180 degrees to become a part of the living space. Between the kitchen and the cockpit will be a built-in folding table and seats. You can eat here, work here, or just unwind here. A sink, a mini fridge, storage drawers, and a 2-burner induction cooktop will all be included in the compact yet practical kitchen. Solar panels or batteries will power every gadget. There will be a permanent bed at the back. Engine configurations: mild hybrid, 48-volt EQ boost technology and an inline 6-cylinder gasoline engine provides smooth acceleration and increased fuel economy. Plug-in hybrid PHEV. This type is the best because it allows for short-distance, all-electric driving. The equipment in the RV can also be powered by the PHEV battery in case of emergencies. From smooth highways to country roads, the Mercedes Benz 4MATIC all-wheel drive system makes sure the motorhome stays steady and able to handle a range of terrain. Users will remain connected thanks to 5G connectivity and an integrated Wi-Fi hotspot. The controls of the motorhome will be integrated with the MBUX infotainment system through the touchscreen. Users may adjust the temperature and energy consumption.